Good evening, everyone. As you can see, I'm in my silk PJs and I've got my slippers on. By the way, these are my favorite slippers ever. I literally live in them. So I think what we're gonna do is an at-home spa night tonight. That sounds really nice. I wanna watch Sleeping Beauty, I think. I'm gonna make a homemade pizza. I'm gonna make homemade cookies, but healthier versions, of course. Currently waiting for the sun to go down so I can watch the sunset, but it's taking 10 years. All right, let's get into the video. So I made chocolate chip cookies. They're pretty good. I didn't follow an actual recipe. I kind of just threw stuff together, and they are very like cakey, which I wanted them to be like flat and crunchy. So maybe I should have followed a recipe, but they still taste really good. And then Bo made us some espressos. Hopefully this doesn't keep me up all night. It's like 5 o'clock, I think. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm about to go and take a bath real quick. One thing that I love doing is lighting a good candle. So right now I'm just going to be lighting this one. It smells so good. It smells so good. It is the Los Angeles one from Homesick. It smells amazing. You guys would love this candle. So I'm just gonna light this. I'm gonna take my makeup off and then put on my face mask from Lush. And then another product I'm going to be using tonight is the Ocean Salt from Lush. This is an amazing exfoliator, great for a spa night. It's going to literally make you feel like you just came from the spa.
about 1,000.